Stewardship. So, in the area of finances, that's why makita ni mo akong testimony before that in the areas of giving kanang diara jud ko ko first gibuild ni Lord sa areas of giving. In the areas of relationship, wala na ko na-apply ng stewardship because of my experience with my family. Kaning kuan kay ko attention seeker kayo ko. Kuan kay ko love kanang mag-apas jud ko love. So mo itong mga nag-fail na mga relationship kay sayop akong motivation. Kanang gusto ko na I'm doing this for them to love me. Ito self-seeking, it's very self-seeking. But now, because of those failed relationships over and over again, especially with my mentees, I see to it, I understand that I need to apply the principle of stewardship also in the area of relationships, which means that any relationships I have with my children, with my husband, with my friends, with my mentees, with anybody, those relationship comes from God, and I shouldn't abuse it. I shouldn't use it for my ego, for myself. I should use it to be faithful sa tawag sa Ginoo sa to ang life now. Dayon kanang everything will just pass away. Maski unsaon nimo nag-build kanang ang imuhang house nag-build lahi ang mupuyo. Oo, dayon ang imuhang gihaguan ng mga properties lahi ang makinabang.
Tinuod.
So everything is passing, everything is fleeting. Now the question is, if we will die, where will we go? Will it be heaven or will it be hell? So my legacy for everyone na gusto na ako ibilin, actually nausab na ning perspective na ako sa una kay I want to build this, I want to earn that. So dagko kayo akong kuan. Karon akong legacy na nasabtan na ako ang reality of death is I want to take part sa kanina ko na that people when they die they will be in heaven.
Amen.
And they can only have that if they have relationship with God. So that is the only thing that will last. That's the only thing which has eternal value.